What is the Kardashev scale? The Kardashev scale provides a roadmap for exploring the depths of the universe and understanding the evolution of civilizations. I am very excited to blog about this topic right now because it is extremely interesting to come across such a comprehensive concept about where we stand as humanity and where we can go in the future. But is the Kardashev scale only of interest to science fiction enthusiasts? Of course not. This scale provides a scientific framework that impresses everyone who dreams of going beyond our planet and exploring the galaxies. Let's explore this fascinating scale that evaluates how advanced a civilization is based on its energy use and see where we rank as humanity. The Kardashev scale is a system that ranks civilizations according to their energy consumption capacity. Proposed by Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev in 1964, the scale measures a civilization's technological advancement in terms of its ability to use and utilize energy. The basic idea is that the more energy a civilization can control, the more advanced it is. The Kardashev scale encourages us to think about the future of humanity and its potential to reach higher levels of civilization by emphasizing the relationship between energy consumption and technological advancement. There are three main classes on a typical Kardashev scale: Type 1, 2, and 3 civilizations. Humanity is currently not a Type 1 civilization on the Kardashev scale, but is estimated to be around 0.72. This reflects our increasing ability to harness and use a variety of energy sources. However, we still rely heavily on fossil fuels and have not yet fully optimized our use of renewable energy. Our technological advances in areas such as solar and wind energy are promising. Nuclear fusion research and space exploration initiatives suggest that we are on our way to achieving Type 1 status. However, we still face significant challenges related to resource management, climate change, and global cooperation that must be addressed to fully realize our potential as a planetary civilization. Now let's get into the details of the civilization levels on this scale. As I mentioned before, there are normally 3 main civilization levels, but let's expand this a little bit and go up to level 7. Without losing any speed, let's start with Type 0 civilization. A Type 0 civilization relies primarily on non-renewable energy sources such as fossil fuels and only uses renewable resources such as hydroelectric power to a limited extent. This type covers a wide range of social development from primitive lifeforms to modern human societies, with subcategories indicating different levels of technological advancement. For example, a civilization classified as Type 0.1 would be at a very primitive stage using basic tools for survival, while a Type 0.7 civilization represents modern humans who have begun to explore sustainable energy solutions in space exploration. A Type 1 civilization on the Kardashev scale is a civilization that has gained complete control over its planet's energy resources. This means that it can use all the energy it can get from sources like solar, wind, geothermal, and nuclear energy to meet its needs. A Type 1 civilization may also have the technology to control and manage the planet's weather. Reaching the level of a Type 1 civilization requires a high level of global cooperation, the foundation of which our civilization has already laid through the Internet. This intercontinental communication network allows information to be shared widely and accelerates technological advancement on a global scale. However, the transition to a Type 1 civilization carries significant risks. From an environmental perspective, the rapid industrialization required could worsen climate change if not managed carefully. Furthermore, if we do not balance our consumption, we could be running out of resources on Earth. In addition, the competition for control of these resources could lead to geopolitical tensions. The development of nuclear fusion risks catastrophe if not managed properly, and another danger is that with technological advances, weapons of mass destruction will become easier to develop.